Karnataka is officially cementing its status as the electric vehicle capital of India. While the world watches global tech giants, a massive local shift is happening right under our noses. The state government has signed a landmark deal that will change the landscape of high-performance mobility. Ultraviolette has signed an MOU with the Karnataka government, and the headline figure is 200 crore rupees. That money is going into a brand new manufacturing facility in Bengaluru. Not an upgrade to what already exists, a brand new spanking one. The job numbers is worth paying attention to. The move is expected to create over 1,500 direct specialized roles in the heart of India's Silicon Valley. Think about the level of engineering required to genuinely compete with global players like Tesla or Gogoro. Karnataka is already home to the highest number of EV startups in the country. So this isn't a sector arriving from nowhere. No, the ground was already prepared. Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has been quite vocal about what he is actually trying to do here. The goal isn't trying to attract one company and call it a day. He is pushing Karnataka toward becoming the undisputed global hub for future technology, building a full ecosystem around research and development, not just signing deals and hoping the rest follows by luck. And the infrastructure, for the first time in a while, is beginning to keep pace with that very ambition. Speed is the word to focus on. Ultraviolette is moving fast to scale their F77 and F99 platforms to meet demand that their current setup simply can't handle. The trajectory here is from niche performance brand to mass scale manufacturing operation. And before you file this purely under motorcycles, there's considerably more to it than actually just that. The investment points to a shift in how India sees itself in the global supply chain. By keeping both the manufacturing and the technology stack under the same roof, Karnataka is giving itself some insulation from the kind of global volatility that has disrupted other markets repeatedly. I feel that is not accidental. That's the reasoning behind the whole thing. Bengaluru built its reputation on software, as we know, and that took decades. The move into deep tech hardware, on the other hand, is happening considerably faster. While others are still having the conversation about what the future of electric mobility looks like, Karnataka is building the production floors for it. The long-term ambition is stated without any embarrassment, a serious role in the global EV market. So is India ready to lead the world in high-performance electric mobility? The wheels are already moving, for sure, faster than most people anticipated. Congratulations. So what we need to do is keep our eyes on Bengaluru, because the future of transport is being built right here, right now. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.